Upgrade your daily shower with powerful flow and refined comfort. Best handheld showerhead high-pressure performance transforms weak water into energizing streams. Enjoy easy installation, multiple spray modes, and durable construction for lasting reliability every single relaxing day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. BOZYBO Handheld Shower. The BOZYBO handheld shower is designed for users who want a true high-pressure, spa-like shower experience at home without compromising stability or water efficiency. Its patented metal magnetic combined buckle structure immediately sets it apart, providing a firm and reliable hold that keeps the handheld unit securely docked even under strong water flow. This upgraded magnetic system feels significantly more solid than traditional plastic mounts, ensuring long-term durability and ease of use. The large 12-inch square rainfall shower head delivers expansive, full-body coverage, making each shower feel immersive rather than directional. With 10 spray modes on the handheld unit, users can easily switch between gentle relaxation and powerful cleaning modes, while the additional power jet options are especially useful for washing pets, cleaning tubs, or rinsing shower walls. Performance is further enhanced by 278 finely engineered spray nozzles that create a smooth, rain-like flow while maintaining strong pressure, even in homes with inconsistent water supply. The patented dual showerhead design allows effortless switching between rainfall, handheld, or simultaneous water flow using a simple control knob, offering flexibility while also supporting water-saving habits. Number 2. Sproos Handheld Shower. The Sproos handheld shower focuses on delivering powerful water pressure while significantly improving water quality through advanced filtration. Its dual-action filtration system uses KDF and calcium sulfite media to reduce chlorine, heavy metals, scale, and sediment, resulting in softer water that is gentler on skin and hair. This makes it an excellent option for households dealing with hard or treated water. Beyond filtration, the showerhead excels in pressure performance, offering 3 distinct spray modes designed for different needs. Monsoon mode provides strong, full-coverage flow. Cloudburst delivers a calming rainfall effect, and jet mode offers concentrated pressure ideal for muscle relief or quick rinsing. A built-in pause button adds everyday convenience, allowing users to temporarily stop the water flow without adjusting the temperature, which is especially useful when shampooing, bathing children, or washing pets. Installation is refreshingly simple, with a 5-minute, tool-free setup supported by included steel pliers and step-by-step guidance, eliminating the need for professional help. Number 3. HammerHead Handheld Shower. The HammerHead handheld shower is built for users who prioritize raw cleaning power and straightforward performance. Designed with a focus on high-impact water pressure, it delivers a concentrated spray that excels at rinsing soap, shampoo, and conditioner quickly and efficiently. This makes it particularly appealing for users who prefer fast, effective showers rather than multiple spray variations. The strong pressure output is also well-suited for cleaning tasks, such as rinsing shower walls, tubs, or even muddy gear, offering practical utility beyond everyday bathing. Its ergonomic handheld design ensures comfortable grip and control, even when wet, allowing precise direction of water where it is needed most. The construction emphasizes durability, with materials chosen to withstand frequent use and high-pressure flow without performance degradation. Minimalist in approach, the HammerHead avoids unnecessary complexity, making it easy to use for all age groups. Maintenance is equally simple, with anti-clog nozzle design helping to reduce mineral buildup and maintain consistent spray strength over time. While it does not rely on elaborate multi-mode systems or oversized heads, it compensates with dependable pressure and efficient water delivery. This straightforward design philosophy appeals to users who want reliable performance without distraction. Number 4. Delta Handheld Shower. The Delta Handheld Shower is engineered to combine high-pressure performance with versatility and long-term durability. Featuring Pro Clean Spray technology, it delivers concentrated water streams capable of cleaning tile, grout, and hard-to-reach areas up to twice as fast without the need for scrubbing. Its innovative 2-in-1 Hydro Rain design allows users to enjoy the handheld shower independently or docked securely as a fixed shower head, offering flexibility without sacrificing comfort. The dual-purpose configuration also supports simultaneous water flow from both heads, creating a full immersive shower experience while retaining the convenience of a handheld unit. With 5 thoughtfully designed spray options, including full body, massaging, shampoo rinsing, and pause, users can easily tailor each shower to their needs. Delta's attention to finish quality is evident through its rigorously tested LumaCoat coatings, which resist cracking, peeling, and discoloration even under demanding conditions. Maintenance is simple thanks to touch-clean spray holes that allow calcium and lime buildup to be wiped away effortlessly without chemicals. The overall design reflects Delta's reputation for reliability, blending functional innovation with durable construction. Number 5. Veken Handheld Shower. The Veken handheld shower is designed to deliver a luxurious rainfall experience while maintaining strong and consistent water pressure. Its large 11.8-inch rainfall shower head provides generous full-body coverage, transforming routine showers into relaxing, spa-like moments. The handheld unit complements this experience with multiple spray modes, including mist, massage, and rain, allowing users to easily adjust water flow for rinsing hair, soothing muscles, bathing pets, or cleaning the shower area. One of Veken's standout features is its adjustable extension arm, which allows users to customize height and angle effortlessly, making it suitable for individuals of different heights and preferences. This flexibility ensures improved comfort and accessibility for all household members. Installation is quick and tool-free, making it an excellent choice for renters or homeowners seeking an easy upgrade without professional assistance. The system is designed with user convenience in mind, offering smooth adjustments and reliable performance without complicated controls. Its balanced combination of coverage, pressure, and adjustability makes it versatile for both relaxation and practical use. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.